Hey guys, what's up? Yes, no. Hey guys. Alright. So today, what we are doing is installing the official, authentic JDM SARD rear lip for my MR2. I had to travel all the way to Houston for this, and I hope it's worth it. It's really not in the best condition, but I'm hoping there's this guy that can fix it up for me for a cheap price. He said there was like only one thing wrong with it. That one thing turned into 10, and then 10 turned into 15. So there's a crack, there's a hole, a bunch of scuffs, and yeah. But it's official SARD, and I looked it up. This is going for $351 if you ship it to Japan. To the US, it'd probably be like $700, and it's got a little bit of paint on it. So I'm going like $800, and I only bought it for $100. So I guess it's an okay deal. So we're taking off the old, ugly, unofficial TRD because it's a replica, and we're putting the authentic SARD one from Japan on there. Sort of really happy I got the new one because this one just didn't really fit right. Over here, there's like a huge ass gap, even with double-sided tape, and over here too. So it's all gonna be fixed with this new one. He said the fitment with this is super good, and it was imported straight from Japan, so you know it is good quality. The double-sided tape didn't actually work out, like I said, so it sucked. Yeah, it sucked like David said. So hopefully with this new bumper it fits perfect, and the double-sided tape can hold it up because it's a little bit heavier too. Got the old shitty one off, and time for the new one. If any of you all want a shitty body kit, here you go. 50 bucks. Yeah, 50 bucks. Come over here, you gotta come over here and see it. Okay, ready for this? Ready. This is the best part. What? You see all that dirt right there? That's JDM dirt. Shut up. You know who Bella Delphine is? Yeah. All right. Kinda. She sells her water. Okay. Bathtub water for 30 bucks. You think you can sell your JDM dirt? Yeah, I'm gonna sell this JDM dirt. If you want some JDM dirt, straight from Japan, 20 bucks per particle. Best deal you can find. Actually, it doesn't look bad from like right here, right? Yeah. I mean, I'm more concerned about how it looks on the car. True. Let's clean it first though, and then package all the JDM dust. So it's not any more shiny than it was before, sort of sucks. And the only place we need to put double-sided tape is right under this thing. So let's check it out. This one's a little bit different than the one I had on before, that one right there. So it's gonna be a cool experience. And there's no exhaust pipe hole, so. Here it is now. My first reaction is it doesn't come down as much, so you can see more of the intercooler and the exhaust pipe. And I don't know if I like that, but it looks way better than the gray one. I can tell you that for sure. So you can see the small crack right there. Yeah, there's a little bit of dirt right here. I'm gonna try to get that off later. There's a crack. There's another crack. And then the hole is down there, but you can't see that. It fits so tight that you don't even need to really have a screw in there. But let's do it anyways. Yeah, hella happy with the fitment. So, we had to take off the rear wheel so that we can mount these two holes right here. There's one right there. Oh shit, there's three? Is that? No. That's just a rock chip. Okay, so there's two. And there's two on the other side, so I'm gonna get this wheel off too. And should be good to go. I'm gonna try to put some touch-up paint right there. Hopefully that fixes that. This, I'm hopefully thinking that can go away with some, I don't know, like a buff or something, but it's looking pretty darn good. So I tried using some touch-up paint, but it's absolutely not the right color. So it's totally seeable, but oh well. So we're gonna lower it and see how it looks. That looks badass. Looks way better than it did before without it, or with the old one. It's not like a complete color match, but it's pretty good. It looks a lot better. Yeah, I'm loving it. 100 bucks, worth it. It was actually like 160 because I had to pay for gas, but. So other than it being faded, it looks pretty good. And I'm probably, or maybe, I'll be going back for the rest of the kit. It's 3 hours away for one way, but he said he's selling the car and he's gonna ask the person who's buying it if they want it. If they don't want it, they'll get a cheaper price, and then I'll have to pay for the side skirts and front lip. Hopefully that happens, because I really want a painted body kit that's official. This would be the OEM authentic Toyota side skirts, so I would really want those, and I've been looking for them for about a year. So hopefully he says that they don't want them and I can get them. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I know this was probably a short one. I haven't edited it yet, so I don't know, but it's probably short, but it's really cool to finally get an authentic JDM body kit piece for my car. So hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.